Hello, welcome back. I'm here, having a quiet day playing Ooblets, still in early access, and I've just discovered these blue jackalopes. I don't remember what they're actually called because their names don't have that much to do with jackalopes, so I don't remember it. I want to dance with you, but I need more sweetie beaties. Great. I need like a lot of sweetie bees right now. I guess that's my number one thing. Well, now my promise from the last video is for naught. I can get money with wishies, right? I think I can. I have 95 wishies. They just loaded me up. 100 gummies for 50. Yes. I want that. What else can I get? Plenty's levels? Who cares? I don't have that much stuff. I can't click and drag this for some reason, but I can scroll with my wheel. Clambrosia, more energy? More energy? More energy like permanently? That'd be cool. But no, I can't really afford much right now. Yeah, I can't whistle. Sweetie beatie seeds. Yes. Oh, they're cheap. Okay, I need at least 4. Heck, let's make it 10. I don't really have the energy to do that though, so I guess we're gonna buy some spring beans. Either we'll buy some spring beans or we'll just buy some flippin' coffee, but I think it's a lot cheaper to buy spring beans, right? What's the recipe? Recipe for coffee. This is 1 ground spring beans. Yeah. And what's this one? Pompadour juice. I could make that, I think, but I don't have it. Man, someday I'm gonna afford a haircut. It's just like real life. I only get 2 haircuts a year because they're so expensive. 16, and I can turn that into this, which is 30. So that's definitely worth it, right? What is the only thing is that it costs energy to make it? Does it? I don't think it even does. Yeah. That song was very much just in my right ear over there. Is that, you guys hear that? Why is this place called Badgetown anyway? I was actually wondering that. It's called Badgetown because of all the badges you can get here. Check your grimoire to see which ones you qualify for. I guess I should have seen this coming. Keep track of the ones you've gotten. So, but like, was that all a thing when the town was originally founded too? Oh no, I think it was founded by a dude named Mr. Badge. So happy you're my friend. Let me, this I'm like leveling up as I'm talking to them, so they're like non-sequiturally jumping into like telling me they're happy to have me as a friend, which just kind of feels ominous to me. Something about the way that they jump subjects like that. I'm so happy you're my friend. Let me give you a friendship sticker and some other goodies. It's like they don't really want to be talking about it. They want to distract like from the conversation we're having by just telling me like, haha, you're such a good friend. Okay, leave now. Yep, sure. Rainbow bunches. 10 planklets. Well, geez, thanks for that, I guess. Really don't need that. What was I saying before this? I do not remember. That's a bummer. Oh, Badgetown. Right, what? Do they, like, not do badges in the other towns? Also, I wonder... Oh, I can harvest these now. I have a curiosity as to whether they're replacing, any, Oh, wait, this is what I want to do. Whether they're going to change any dialogue. Like, if there's dialogue that I would have gotten if I had played it before they ran the latest update, that they've, like, replaced or changed or removed from by updating it. Or in the update, you know? That would be interesting, but hard to determine. That's the only kind of seeds that I bought, right? but I can consume these. No, I can't. I have to go and make food. Better do that now. Excuse me. Missed the house. Yikes. Okay. Yep. Alright. Now I have a bunch of those. And now I can consume 1. Consume 2. I still don't know what that blue bar at the bottom is. Ooh, I'm fast. I don't really understand why I would want extra speed, but, well, I sort of do. Okay, lots and lots of corn. Alright. We're gonna plant sweetie beaties, yeah. And more. Oh, it's nighttime already? Is the sound of me planting going, like, up and down in pitch, or am I going crazy? Well, I have to use up all my energy by the end of the day, or else just be wasting those coffees. Right? That sounds like a life philosophy to live by. Ooh, I've got a new little dude. But they pester you if you stay up late, frustratingly. There's no nocturnal life in this game. Oops, I meant to click that. These are all dry too. Come on. Guess I'll harvest this first. I think this is the colorful bird. Yeah, the orange bird. Flightless ooblets look like they should fly. Same description as before. I do know it. Okay, it's getting increasingly hard to tell if they're dry. Oh, why am I moving so fast? I went further than I meant to somehow. That was weird. Like my mouse got ahead of the character, or I guess. Okay, we're farming, yes. This is the gameplay. I'm all out. Oh, I keep on pressing that instead of Q. Which will run out first? My energy or things to water? Man, watering gets kind of intense. Oh, but I have those automatic sprinklers now. Oh ho ho. What does it do exactly? I forgot about that. Automatically waters a 3x1 area on your farm. Okay. Thank God it's 3x1, because that is how I've set up my garden, is in rows. If it was like a square area, it'd be pretty sad for me. I'm glad that I hope that they like have a sprinkler that covers a square area for folks who like want to do their farm in squares, so that like we can have a sprinkler that supports any random way we want to set up our farms, because we deserve options, you know, I think. Now, the only thing about this is that this really suggests that I ought to have put 2 spaces between each of my rows. One so that the sprinkler can go up, and one so it can go down, so it can cover the 6 that I have in my whole row. So we're gonna just put one down for now and see if it works the way I expect. Certainly seems to. Yes, we're gonna have to rethink this whole farm. But I just planted everything back again. Right. Put that there for now. Because I'm definitely going to want to stop watering once my farm is so big, right? It's telling me it's bedtime, but we haven't run out of our coffee energy yet. It'd be a waste to go to bed now. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some more math now because of that. Let's see, if I still want rows of 6, but I have to put 2 spaces between each of them. Oh, I already watered that. Oops. I'll think about that once I'm done watering. It's too many things to do at the same time. I need to actually be looking at the grid, because I don't know off the top of my head how big the grid is. Come on. What do you think I am? I'm dry. I like that dry sound effect. So that's like, I don't know. I haven't really played a lot of farming sims before, so for all I know, all of them have like, you know, like a sort of, like your can is dry sound effect. But to me, that's like, it's a really great sound because it's abstract, right? There's not actually a sound of your can being dry, per se. But it really evokes dryness, I feel like. I'm impressed by that, and I wonder if it's similar sounds in other games, or if it's like the only game of its kind that has a sound like that, or who knows, you know? But I'm not about to play Harvest Moon to find out, I'll tell you that. Alright, well I need to find other things to do with my energy. I guess I'll just weed. Because it's ugly over here. Come on over here. Yeah, this'll eat up my energy real fast. Come on, yeah. Yeah. Not as big a fan. Ooh, clothlet seeds. Not as big a fan of the weird little grunt my character makes every time that she picks up a weed. Sounds like a little grumpy baby. It doesn't sound like I imagine my character's voice sounding at all. How far can I push this? Oh, it's getting real low. That's gotta be the end of it. Yeah. Wait, what happens though? Yep, I thought so. Oops. Alright, nap time. It's bedtime. It's actually almost morning, but I think they're still gonna let me do stuff. I didn't see the warning this time telling me I needed to sleep, so maybe they actually fixed that. Maybe they made it so that you can be nocturnal now. That'd be cool. Maybe that's what they did in the new update. 90 friendship points, heck yeah. Okay. I don't remember spotting that weird little Cabbage Patch Kid. That's new to me. But if you say so. I spotted some other creatures that aren't on that list. You overslept, so you'll be a bit groggier today. Did I oversleep? I guess because I stayed up late, I overslept? How's groggy gonna show up? This pink-haired chick has a hankering for planklets, which I happen to have hundreds of, so she's gonna like me. Does it just mean I'm slower? I can't tell at all what groggy is doing to me. If I click it, can I find out? Apparently not. She's gonna leave me in the dark on that one. Like, I feel slower, but, you know, like, I'm definitely slower than I was the night before. What do these guys want? They want oodles. Okay. Like, I'm slower than I was the night before because I was drinking coffee the night before. She just said my name. She totally just said my name. And I noticed in an older video, too, that Ragnolia also said my name. Is it a stock sound effect, or are they, like, programmed to pronounce your character's name that you typed in? It's freaking me out, especially since it's my 2 favorite characters that have called me by my name now. How do, bud? Want to grab a few planklets for me so I can put together a tricycle ramp? Absolutely. Yeah, I do. This ramp will be the most dangerous I've ever built. Please let that actually show up in town. If that doesn't actually show up in town, I will be hecka disappointed. I check this beach every day, hoping that those gleamy Dumburbs will come back. They never will. Oh, check it out. My little orange Dumburb is not following me, so I guess the limit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to your party. New Ooblet spotted Clicky Claws? Don't I have a Clicky Claws? How is that new? Like I literally have one on my team. Right now I'm just wandering around looking for that pink-haired girl. Hi Ragnolia, I keep on catching you just as you leave. You're just the sort of natural go-getter I could exploit, or find a fun task for. You like fun tasks, right? I'm not sure anymore. Great, I need you to bring me some samples of La Cauliflower to study. About 4 will do. Okay, I assume that those are a plant that look like cauliflowers. I don't know if I have any. Or if I've ever had any. Or if I've ever seen any growing around town. But maybe I have. We'll try and keep an eye out. It's probably smart to like stockpile, like just be picking everything you see and stockpiling it for when you have a mission for it, but I don't want to do that. Who was the... Did I even catch the name of this pink hair girl I'm supposed to be giving stuff to? I don't think I did. Well, we're gonna ransack this empty house. And then probably stop the video. Another sea plop, okay? What's this? I didn't see a thing pop up. Did it tell me what I got? I don't know. Well, on that somewhat anticlimactic mystery, I'm going to end the video. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Yeah, catch you next time. Bye.